I decided that I'd add that extra carriage on the end because hello there, I thought I'd do a bit of an experiment. This is not a review, but as you can see I've got two train sets here, East Coast Express and West Coast Highlander. So I thought I'd do like the East Coast versus the West Coast, because back in the day there were two different train companies. One went up the East Coast Britain and the other went up the West Coast of Britain. There's a bit of a rivalry between these two different train companies. As you can see I've got the West Coast Highlander, which is a 040, which means no wheels at the front, 4 wheels in the middle and no wheels at the back. This is only a small loco, which is probably went on the small branch lines that went from the rural towns village of the British Isles. You can see it's got 3 wagons and a petrol tank, and with this set came some huts, some signs and height barrier, a water pipe and a few other bits and pieces. And with the East Coast that was a 460, means 4 wheels at the front, 6 wheels in the middle, no wheels at the back. Comes with a tender and 2 carriages. Let's take a very quick look inside. You've got the operating maintenance instructions, and you've got the owner's manual, and then we've got the track map. I'm not going to open this up because I think we've all seen what this looks like a million times. And then all the bits and pieces went in. I've still got the trap. I haven't used that trap because I don't really need it, but the old controller there I don't use. You can see where the locomotive and the other bits and pieces went. And then with the East Coast Express, same thing again, but slightly different leaflet this time about building your world. It's like track extensions, the geometry of the track, a few others about Scadale, accessory packs and things. And again it's got the operating and maintenance instructions. Again it's got the owner's manual, and again the track map. And then this only came with 2 carriages, and again we've got some unused track there and an unused controller there, and the locomotive went there. So let's go onto my main track now and take a look at the locos. And which loco do we have coming out of this tunnel? And there we have the West Coast Railways. And that's the going past the East Coast B12. Going across the suspension bridge. Going around JJ's corner slope. Through the tunnel, past the station. Now notice that it's got a 3rd carriage. That 3rd carriage at the end did not come with the set originally, but I decided that I'd add that extra carriage on the end because it's a very similar carriage, but the coupling's very different on it. And it's just all the same. thought I'd make it slightly bigger because it won't match with any of the other cabbages I've got. I've got tea cabbages and I've got Pullman cabbages, which it won't mix with those, so it's a bit funny. Up JJ's corner slope here. Around the corner. Over the bridge. This B12 is giving me a problem because it keeps on derailing. Keep on stopping, I don't know why. Right, you kind of get the idea now. My B12 with 3 cabbages, custard and cream I think they call it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe without passing by. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.